Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang umaga po, Father.
Ipinagdiriwang natin ngayon ang pagunita ng pagpakasakit ni Juan Bautista. Si Juan Bautista, anak ni Zacarias at Elizabeth at pinsan ng Panginoon, ay kilala rin bilang isang tinik ng sumisigaw sa ilang, ihanda-handaan para sa pagdati ng Panginoon. Namatay siya bilang isang martir, hugutan ng ulo si Juan Bautista. If you listen carefully to our readings today, especially the Gospel, we can say that John the Baptist was a victim of hatred, jealousy, and false promises. Alam ni Herodes na si Juan ay isang taon matuwid at banal. Natatakot siya kay Juan, ngunit dahil sa kanyang sumpa at ang expectation ng kanyang panauhin, pinagutan si Juan sa bilangguan. John's death is an example of how hatred, jealousy, and false promises can lead to acts of cruelty. Herodias' hatred blinded her to the value of human life, and Herod's false promise led him to betray his own conscience. John became a victim of their combined wickedness, a martyr for the cause of truth and righteousness. Hatred and jealousy are destructive emotions that can lead to terrible consequences. Dapat natin bantayan ang ating mga puso laban sa mga damdaming ito. Sa halip ay magsikap na linangin ang pagmamahal, habag at pagpapatawad. Our promises should be made truthfully and kept faithfully. Sometimes we might also become victims of our own emotions, hatred, jealousy, envy, feeling of being judgmental, false promises, at etc. Huwag natin pahirapan ang ibang tao o biktima ng ating emosyon. Maging mabait tayo, mapagbigay at magpapatuloy dahil hindi natin alam pinagdadaanan ng iba. Kaya mayroon tayong sapat ng mga problema at kahirapan. Ihuwag stress ng iba. Kaya sabi nila na, do not promise when you are happy. Do not reply when you are angry, and do not decide when you are sad. The Passion of St. John the Baptist is a stark reminder of darkness that can reside in the human heart. Kaya let us honor the memorial of beheading of St. John the Baptist by living lives of truth, love, and faithfulness. And may we always remember that the devastating consequence of hatred, jealousy, and false promises.